Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video so our very beloved Christian influencer Jakuja exposes the sangoma community. Now this time after a video of an initiate eating inkomo, a raw ephephlweni. So I've decided to blur the video because YouTube might strike and take it off. Now in the video, you guys, it was seen eating a raw inyama yenkomo and whatever spirit has entered into her body, you guys, and I'm sure that she is not aware that she is doing that, but some entity has entered into her body. Now Jakuja claims that initiates are possessed with evil spirits while they are at ephephlweni. They are given evil and familiar spirits unaware. They are not aware that they are in fact being given the spirits. Now Jakuja says she does not believe that there is such a thing whereby a sangoma can be a sangoma and not be working for the kingdom of darkness. Now she says that sangomas are not normal because they carry a bunch of demons in them. Guys, now Jakuja has a lot to say regarding the spiritual realms. Up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert that video, but before I do that, do make sure that you have subscribed, you like this video, and you comment, and you also share it so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video.
Look at that poor lady, possessed with a spirit of a dog. That's a dog spirit. You cannot convince me otherwise. It's so sad that people leave their homes as normal individuals and they go to these initiation schools only to come back as another entity trapped in a person's body. The type of conditions they are subjected to, the way they are trained to, I don't know, they are trained to house devils, honestly. I totally understand why sangomas never feel as if like they are normal. That's because you are not. You have a bunch of demons inside of you. Look at those people. And it's funny that when they have to graduate, they have to go look for hidden things, go look for a goat that is hidden, come back, put it on your back. Do you really think that's normal? Do you really think that God wants that for you as an individual? You know, I think we talk a lot about pastors who abuse people. How about we talk about gobelas who own cults? Because that's a cult. Why must people drench their faces, cover their faces with blood? For what? Why should they bark like dogs? Why should they eat that raw meat like that? For what? And thank God for social media because these things are no longer hidden. You know, back then, sangomas used to act as if like they are the chosen ones. You know, they would go hide and do these funny things that people wouldn't see. And nobody would be able to call them out. Because remember, if you're not a sangoma, you won't understand what they're doing. But that's actually a cult. And it's funny that as an African, if you are spiritually gifted, you need to do these funny things for you to belong, you know, for you to operate fully as an individual or for you to awaken to who you really are. It's a cult. It's a cult. Look at those people. And sangomas, you know, I'm not hating y'all. I love you guys so much that I want you guys to see the truth. That after putting and subjecting yourselves under such conditions, you are going to go to hell. Imagine. After curing people who were sick, not healing, curing them, you're going to go where? To hell. After doing all of those good things that you are convinced you're doing, where are you going? Hell. People don't have to do these funny things and live an oppressed life where you can't mingle with your family. You need to wear beads. You can't listen. You can't hear drums. If you hear drums, honestly, come on. Honestly, guys, like, I don't know. Maybe the people who should be banned are not prophets, are actually sangomas. Yeah. How about that?